everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is on this beautiful with glittery makeup. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to find out how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Katy cat palettes from CoverGirl. They are so cute, you guys. They have little kitties on them, and they actually have like lip glosses as well that have like kitties on top of them. So cute. I will show you guys one in this video. So I'm using one of the shadows and one of the palettes and applying this right onto my crease. And then I'm just blending this back and forth. A lot of you guys have asked me in my recent videos what brush is this one, because I use it a lot in all my videos. This is from Time Los Angeles. I will list them down below. I do have a discount code as well. Pretty Grace for some money off if you guys are interested. I think this one's Pretty Little Miss Grace for some money off. For Morphe is Pretty Grace for some money off. Mostly all my discount codes are Pretty Grace, unless the companies decide to change it. I don't know. But anyways, so I'm applying a little bit of concealer onto the lids just to kind of carve out a little bit of a small cut crease. This cut crease, it's a little bit more toned down. It's not too exaggerated. Usually if I'm going to do it like extremely dramatic cut crease, I go a little bit higher. Here I'm just going a little bit lower just to be like a little natural, sultry kind of cut crease. So I'm applying this little pinkyish brownish shade. Did I say brownish? I'm in purpley shade. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Okay, so back to it. So I'm just going to apply that shade right into the outer corner of the eye where I didn't apply any concealer, just to give it a little bit of color. Then I'm going with this shade from the other palette. It is a shimmery pinky shade. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to apply with a little bit of setting spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wherever I applied the concealer, just to give it something to stick to. And I'm just patting the color in. I don't really want to make it perfect because, you know, it's already pretty. I'm going to add eyeliner anyways. So I'm going to apply two metal, I don't know what they're called, from Urban Decay. And I'm applying those right onto where the crease starts. So I'm just kind of basically carving it out a little bit, and I'm not going anywhere else. I'm just leaving it midway. I do it a little bit thicker than usual because I really wanted to show. I did have hooded eyes, so when I do apply the glitter, like the thin layer, it doesn't really show. So I had to do it a little bit thicker just so that you guys can see it, or when I tilt and I look, it could actually show. So that's what I did, a little bit more thicker. But if you guys prefer it to be a little bit thinner, then you can definitely go ahead and do that. And then on this video, I did dry it before I even blinked or anything because I didn't want it to mess up like in the other video. I went ahead and I did my eyeliner off camera and applied my Cocoa Lashes and Goddess. Then I went back and applied that outer corner color into the bottom lash line. And then I went with a nude pencil and applied this right into the waterline just to make my eyes appear a little bit bigger and brighter. Then I'm just applying a little bit of mascara. This one is the one from Marc Jacobs. It is my favorite. I love this mascara. Just applying a little bit on the bottom lashes. And then I'm applying this little kitty one right on my brow bone just to give me a little bit of a highlight. And then I'm going to be using that same shade, and I'm going to apply this as a highlight. It is a very pretty color. I don't know if you can use it as a highlight, but I still used it as a highlight, and I was like, ooh, so pretty. So I was trying to keep everything in the same color tones. And yeah, so I'm just applying this where I want it to be bright and beautiful. So I do it on my bridge of my nose, on the tip of the nose, cheekbones, and then I just go back with a blending brushy and then just kind of blend everything else so it looks really nice and blended. So for lips, I'm using two of the CoverGirls. I will list them down below because I don't have them with me. So I'm just applying this first shade right here. It's in the same color tones that I use in my eyes. Like I said, I wanted to keep everything the same kind of color family. So I'm just applying this, like a little layer of it. And then I went with, I don't know what they're called, but this is another kitty cat. And on those, they have like little kitties as a topper. And it's so cute. So I'm just applying this on top just to give me a little bit of a gloss. But they're not really glosses, you guys. I thought they were glosses, but they were not glosses. So, yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It means so much. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. And leave me a comment down below. Love you guys. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.